Laibasi Mangzil Thana Chaukat Nabagi Wakalonda, India Lengakna, Cooperative Sector Bohena Chaukat Hanabagi Damak, Ahen Bamiting Changlakli Haina Governor Ajay Kumar Valana Fongdokrai, Malem Pumbada Pangtok Nariba, International Year of Cooperative Kamari Lenana Pangtokiba, Set Level Cooperative Conclave Hogdopagi Thoramda, Wafamasi Fongdokibani. National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development, Manipur Regional Office, Imphal Manipur Lenga ki Department of Cooperative Department ka kusam naduna, konong mamangda laiba City Convention da pangtokpa thoramaduda, Governor Valana, Cooperative ki iho kankat halabadi, laiba sa namangzil thana chawkhat pangamgani, iho wasi hena chawkhat na bahonabada, mari lainaba Department kakta da inthokpa na chumloy. Lamdamasada Cooperative ki iho hena chawkhat na bahonabada, miyam hup na saruk yabiu haina, apil tawki. Cooperative ki lamda khang hairaba singna khangliba khudimak share daunaduna hena fawa maikai da channa bahona si haiba wafam governor na thamladuna cooperative ki khuthang da naha amadi nupi singbusu sector kayada mai onsinduna chawkhat tharangi thabak tawhaningi haina phongdokhi conclave aduga mari lainana cooperative ki makha da tongan ba society singna puthokpa makhal kaya gi polam singi exhibition so governor na hangdokhi Loinana exhibition asada makhal kaya gi polam sing puthokliba innovator singaso governor ga wari sanakhi Madugi mathakta centrally sponsored project for computerization ki makhada ningthina mathau taba primary agricultural credit society singda award su lanthokuna pukning thawatki Thoramaduda Nawat Manipur ki General Manager Partha Mandal amasung Manipur Lenga ki Cooperation ki Commissioner Shailesh Kumar Chaurasiana yauna masak naiba miyoy kya su sarukyaki
Cooperatives can serve as platforms for training, market access and value addition, thereby generating sustainable livelihoods across districts. As we look to the future, it is essential that our cooperative institutions uphold the highest standards of governance, transparency and accountability. Public trust is the foundation of the cooperative movement. I urge all stakeholders, administrators, elected boards and community members to strengthen internal systems and uphold cooperative values in both spirit and practice. Let's continue to work together, government, institutions and communities, to make cooperatives a cornerstone of Manipur's development journey. With shared vision, shared effort and shared responsibility,